Okay, this is how you tie a bowline on a bight, and why you would tie this knot is if you wanted to put a loop into a line where you don't have access to the ends. So say these two ends over here go way up to a sail or somewhere where you can't reach, and you needed to put a loop into the end. You could also sometimes use it for a harness, but I think it would be fairly uncomfortable. An emergency harness maybe. Okay, so we have the middle of the line, so I've got a loop right here, and just like we were tying a regular bowline, we can put an overhand loop where you take your right hand and you bring it towards your left hand, creating the same loop. Then you take the end piece and you bring it up through the hole. And this is where we differ from the bowline. We don't go back around the standing part. We open up the loop and we put it over the whole knot, making sure to get the loop all the way to the standing part. And then you can pull the right hand side down, pull it together, and there you have a bowline on a bight with two loops. You can use either one to attach, or both, and or a harness.